Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you can't and post any stories on Instagram. Now, there's typically two different reasons as to why this is happening. First of all, follow me on Instagram if you want to, but there's typically two different ways why this is happening. Now, first of all, typically it's either a network issue, a specific app issue, or the servers are down. So there's actually three different ways. So we'll go ahead and hit on the first way first, and then I'll group the other two ways together. So first of all, what you want to do is make sure you're connected to a really solid network connection. In order to post a story, you need to make sure that you're actually on a network connection of some sort, whether that's on, the Wi-Fi signal or cell signal or whatever. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings app on your device, whether it's Android, iOS, it doesn't matter. And you want to go to your Wi-Fi connections first. So click on your Wi-Fi connection and you want to verify that you are connected to a Wi-Fi signal. If you're not connected to a Wi-Fi signal, then we can skip to the next part. Then what you want to do is click on your cell signal and make sure you're connected to a proper cell signal here too. Like I stated, typically the problems that are here are sometimes with your network connection. If you're on the road, if you're connected to a bad signal, or if you're not connected to any signal, if you're on airplane mode, obviously this is not going to work. So you want to make sure you're connected to a strong signal. And once you have that out of the way, what you want to do then is you want to just go onto your browser, Chrome, Safari, whatever it is, any other web browser, any app that takes any internet connection whatsoever. And what you want to do is you want to see if you're able to load things up. You want to notice how fast things load up too. If it takes a long time to load up things, then you just basically want to note those things. Because if it takes a long time for you to get into even a video or into a browser of some sort, then obviously there's something wrong with your network connection and you have a very slow network connection. So you have to go and connect to a better one or connect to your cell signal or vice versa or whatever the case is. As long as you verify that you're connected to a good signal and you're able to transmit data back and forth pretty fast, I would recommend going back into Instagram and retry post to the photo. Typically, this should end up working as long as it's a network connection. You probably just fixed it. Now, if for some reason that still didn't work or you're running into issues here, what you want to do at this point is you want to go ahead, and this is the second way to fix this in my opinion, and I group these two things together. So the very first thing is you want to do is make sure you're up to date on your Instagram app. So what you want to do is you want to hop into your app store, whether that's the Play Store or whatever, and you want to go ahead and click on the search bar and you just want to type in Instagram. So you just want to type in Instagram just like so. And all you want to do here is make sure you're up to date. If you're on a super outdated version of Instagram, like I stated before, you're gonna be out of date. Things are gonna go wrong. You're probably gonna have a bunch of problems. So you want to make sure you update your Instagram. If you see that little update tab like that, you want to go ahead and update it. And as long as you're up to date on one of the more recent versions of Instagram, all you have to do now is pretty much go back into Instagram and retry posting that story. Most of the time, this actually will end up fixing the issue, so you're probably already set. Now, if that still doesn't work, maybe you can go ahead and try deleting Instagram from your device and reinstalling it. Maybe try signing out, reinstalling it. But at the end of the day, there's still a possibility that this may not work. And the reason for this is because Instagram servers on the back end may actually be down. So what this means is that maybe Instagram is updating some things on their server side, and there's really nothing you can do. You can watch 30 of these videos, you can try doing everything that I said 3 times, but it still may not work because the problem isn't on your end, it's on Instagram's end. So you're going to have to go ahead and typically wait for them to go ahead and push out an update or push out a fix for it. But how do you know whether it's actually, that problem or whatever? Well, you can go into the comment section of this video, or you can go on Twitter and search up Instagram down, or just type in Instagram and see how many people are commenting at the same time if Instagram is down or if Instagram's not working for them. Typically, it just takes me like 1 second to sort these comments by the latest, and if a lot of people are commenting within a couple seconds or a couple minutes to each other, then you already know that there's probably Instagram server down because everyone's experiencing that problem. So that's really all you have to do in this case. Again, it's not perfect, but it's a great way to start. So that's pretty much how to fix your Instagram stories not posting. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.